Real Estate Exam Prep, Chapter 1. Real property versus personal property. Real property consists of land improvements attached to the land, benefits, rights, and ownership interests that go with the land. The term appurtenance is often used to describe rights, privileges, or improvements that belong to and pass with the land. Improvements are man's additions to the land, such as buildings and landscaping. Personal property is a right of interest in something of a temporary or movable nature and includes anything not classed as real property. It is also called chattel or personalty. Ownership is transferred by a bill of sale. When personal property is included in a real estate sale, an addendum and/or a bill of sale will be used in addition to the contract. A fixture is an item that was personal property, however, it has been attached or installed in such a way that it has become real property. For example, a shower head or a ceiling fan. It can be described as an improvement. The attachment is permanent. The process of attaching may be called annexation. Accessories, which may or may not be installed, are also considered part of the real property. This includes such items as stoves, pool equipment, windows, AC units, remote control devices, keys, and more. The process of real property becoming personal will be described as the term severed or severance. The fixture is uninstalled and once again becomes personal property. Tests of a fixture include method of attachment, adaptation to the property, custom built as opposed to stock items, and the intention of the parties attaching the fixture. In residential leasing, fixtures installed by tenants are usually considered to have become part of the real property. Therefore, they remain at the end of the lease. Severance only occurs with the agreement of the parties. In commercial leasing, fixtures are often called trade fixtures. Trade fixtures are fixtures installed by a tenant in order to carry out a business, and they may be removed from leased property prior to the termination of the lease. If trade fixtures are not removed prior to the termination of the lease, they become real property and pass to the landlord. In the sale of commercial or investment property, ownership of fixtures and trade fixtures to be included in the sale should be verified to protect the interests of both buyers and sellers. Implements are crops cultivated annually. Examples of implements include corn, wheat, and barley, not sugarcane. Even though they are attached to the ground, they are considered the personal property of the farmer who cultivated them. They are not automatically part of the sale of a farm or a ranch. Ownership can be transferred with a bill of sale, or the cultivating farmer may make arrangements to return to the property and harvest them one time after the sale closes and the crops are ready for harvest. Characteristics of real property. Land has three physical characteristics: non-homogeneity. No two pieces are exactly alike. A more current term is uniqueness. Each piece of land is unique. Immobility. Land cannot be moved. A person must go to the land. Indestructibility. Durability. It will always be there.